Are you looking for the best deodorant wipes? We've got these right here. Figured I'd show these things off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and grab this, slide it on off, and see what we got. So this comes in a 3-pack right here. Just has a simple opening right here on the front, kind of like a baby wipe or a wet wipe. By the way, if y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that for me right there. This is the citrus flavored one or smelling one. So let's give that a little sniff. Okay, it definitely has a very nice citrus flavor to it. So if you like a citrus flavored type of, I say flavored, I should say smelling, I guess, deodorant. This would be great for travel or if you're going hiking, going to be outside playing sports would be a good one as well. Whenever your kids play sports and then they got to pack them into the van, they've been sweating and getting all nasty on the playing field. Before they get in the van, if you just simply throw some of these into the glove box, they can take these and they can just wipe themselves off. Oh, it's got a cooling sensation to it as well. Feels nice. Definitely easy to just wipe away all that sweat and nastiness that might be on you. Feels good. You put it on the back of the neck. Also gives, that citrus smell to it as well. So whenever you do have kids packed into the van, everybody's stinking a little bit. This helps to mask a lot of that right there. So feels good as far as durability. Just giving it a nice little tug right there. It's not breaking or anything. Let's go the other way. I'm assuming it's going to stretch because it looks like the fibers are going more this way. So that we should get a little bit of a stretch right here. Yep, stretching out. Stretching out nicely, not tearing as well, though, which is awesome. As far as size, before I stretch it, it takes up the entire palm of the hand. And so that's great for getting full surface area of the place that you're trying to get cleaned up. So it's not just like having a little tiny thing and you're like scrubbing this. No, you can just simply roll this thing on out, cover up your whole hand, and then get the entire surface area right there. So if y'all are looking for some excellent deodorant wipes, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these. I'm just noticing on the side here, it says alcohol-free, pH balance, and hypoallergenic. And the ingredients in here are aqua, aloe leaf juice, green tea extract, Saccharomyces ferment filtrate, polysorbate 20, fragrance, topifferol acetate, which is just vitamin E, propendiol, glycerin, azelaic acid, tea tree oil, peppermint leaf extract, sodium benzenate, potassium sorbate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium citrate, and citric acid. So nothing crazy in there. All the stuff that should, one, absorb odors nicely so you don't have those smells, but then also all those oils on there to be able to really make the area smell better where the person is. So yeah, if y'all are looking for some citrus dried freshness on the go the natural way, you get 15 wipes in here. They claim they are 9.84 inches by 7.87 inches right here. What I'm curious about actually is the size of the package right here, because you want to be able to slide this into just a easy to grab compartment, but something that doesn't take up very much space. So let me go ahead and grab my tape measure right there, and we're going to measure this thing out. Let's see. I can kind of squeeze in the sides a little bit, so I'm just going to fold those up just a little bit, just to give you guys the bare minimum of what we can get right here. You're looking at about 8.25 inches wide by about 4.25 inches, and then the depth of it is, nothing. It's like 1/4 of an inch high. Think of 15 wet wipes kind of stacked on top of each other. So should be a nice way to easily make this convenient. Y'all saw that I wiped this on my arm too, right? Yeah, I went full on with it. This is already dried up, so I guess that the alcohol that's in there doesn't stay on the arm. It kind of evaporates or gets rid of, however alcohol works. And it feels nice and smooth. Ooh, the skin feels nice and smells nice and fresh as well. It's definitely not as strong as it is on the wipe, because on the wipe it's nice and concentrated. But then once you apply that to the body, it smells actually better, I would say, than on the wipe. So, yeah, y'all are looking for some excellent wipes, deodorant wipes. Y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these. I believe that they make these in other fragrances as well. So if there's a particular one that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you. But like I said, y'all definitely go and grab y'all some of these if this is something that you want. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me. Y'all go and add these to your cart. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show it off to y'all. And Dad out.